Welcome back to another activity and adventure. It's the captain here. Today I'm in Wales. I'm in the heart of the Brecon Beacons. I'm here with the team to do a hike called the Waterfalls. Along the way there's 4 astonishing waterfalls, hence the name. It's going to take us roughly 3 to 4 hours to do it. I'm really looking forward to this. I've checked online and it's got some amazing reviews. That's why I decided to bring the team along with me as well. What are you saying then, lads?
Oh, listen, I'm looking forward to this. I'm actually passionate, determined, and you know what? I just can't wait, man.
That's what I like to hear. Well, then.
Yeah, I'd say super excited. Can't wait to see these waterfalls. Looking forward to it. Hooray, let's go.
Yeah, it's the first for me, so I'm really looking forward to it. Yeah, let's go.
So you ready? Come on then, let's do this.
Let's go, babe.
So yeah, just started the hike now, started the trek. It's an amazing day, nice and sunny, and that's what you really need when you're doing a hike, to be honest. What time did we set out, lads?
Was it quarter 2?
Yeah, 5:45. So we got here about 9 o'clock. For the first waterfall now, which is about 2 minutes away, and as you can see it's downhill. A bit of a stony path. So make sure you bring your walking boots. Walking boots, yeah. All right, walking boots. Some of the Cuzzy brothers obviously bring trainers and.
I'm not a Cuzzy brother, man.
And then when they start to walk and that, it makes it difficult for them. So don't forget hiking boots, yeah. We're nearly approaching the first waterfall. So the first one, which was Squid Glungwin. Again, correct me for the pronunciation. Let's get going then, let's go on. Go on, Osman.
Take your time.
Yeah, take your time, no rush. Osman's going nice and steady. And you've got Mohammed Amin and Brother Imran going at a fast pace at the moment. So yeah, as you can probably hear behind us, that waterfall, that sound is absolutely amazing. Mohammed Amin, we're going to go down this downhill muddy area. We're going to hopefully go towards the first waterfall that we just seen, yeah? Alright, so obviously you got Brother Osman and Brother Imran holding on to me, yeah, because they ain't got the hiking boots. There's some parts that are proper like steep and proper downhill as well. It's proper sticky as well. We want to get closer. Yeah, you got to stay close. No, you're gonna push me. You're gonna go miles away. You're gonna go miles away. Get me bum. Go on, bum shuffle. Bum shuffles, yeah. Yeah. 1, 9. Get up. That's it. Stand. I got ya. There you go.
Oh my god. Legendary boys, legendary. That's teamwork, man. Dreamwork.
You get me?
Boys.
That's the captain's on this thing. You get me?
Careful, just do it now, do it. Your feet are wet, your socks are wet.
Everything's gonna be wet in it. It's alright. Wet trainers, yeah. The lads are coming. Getting closer now, getting closer. The brothers are coming. What are you saying then?
Amazing.
What an experience, what a view. Stunning.
That part was a bit tricky and challenging though, wasn't it? But that's what it's all about though, isn't
A bit
it?
hard, but it's worth it.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And look at that, right behind us. The first waterfall in the Four Falls hiking path. That's it, you can see those people up there as well. That's where we were earlier. And now we're coming right to the bottom. Check that out, that is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna get closer. We'll try and get closer. That's as close as it gets. So yeah, lads, we got the first one out of the way, yeah? The first one done, first one, yeah? Move on to number 2 then in a bit. Come on then, look at that. To the second waterfall, correct me if I'm wrong, if I say it incorrectly, Squiddy Era. Squid Era. It's got 170 steps and you're going down. And then you gotta come back, you gotta come back up as well.
That's what it says.
Checkpoint marker 35. What are you saying then, lads?
Bismillah, bro.
Yeah, second one, yeah, ready.
Yeah, subhanallah, alhamdulillah.
Clap the first one.
Yeah, we did.
Ready, moving on to the second one then, yeah? Come on then, let's do this. Open the gate. There you go, the second one. Squiddy Era. That is absolutely amazing. Look at that, you can even go right behind it. We're gonna get closer. Check this out, right behind it.
We sneak around
So yeah, lads, waterfall number 2. Waterfall number 2. Waterfall number 2. Done. Right, gonna move on to number 3 now. So yeah, waterfall number 2 done. Lads are going back up the steps. Tiring going up the steps though, still. The hardest part is coming back up. All those steps. Good though, yeah.
Every step. It's 170. But one is to start with the first one. Rest is history, lads.
Trust me. So yeah, the captain and his team, we just come back now. It was a long, tough day to be honest. We came back about quarter past 2. So all in all, we did about what?
5 hours.
Along the way, we saw some astonishing views. We managed to get 2 out of the 4 waterfalls done. And couldn't really find the other 2 to be honest, because even though it may seem like it's moderate, trust me, it is proper strenuous, and you know, you can hear it from the brothers themselves as well.
Yeah, it was quite a difficult trek hiking. It took us a long while to get to the main waterfalls. It's difficult, but it was worth it. It was worth it. It was astonishing views.
Yeah, definitely worth it though.
Yeah, it's an amazing experience. Definitely going to come back for the next 2.
Yeah, that's another thing that we got to do then, boys.
Great experience. Great experience. Just like the boys, definitely come back again and enjoy it again.
That's it.
So more to go.
We're on to 2 more to do of the 4 waterfalls walk in Wales, in the heart of the Brecon Beacons. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see my previous videos and future videos, and give us a thumbs up as well.
Signing up
if you like it. So that's the captain out. Take care then, yeah.